Welcome back to Alltech, your go-to channel for the best tech reviews. Today we're checking out a must-have gadget for retro gaming and old-school entertainment lovers, the Setuact RCA to HDMI Converter. If you have classic gaming consoles, VHS tapes, or DVD players lying around, this little device can bring them back to life on modern HD TVs. Let's dive in. Oh, if you want to know more detail of this product, you may check the link in the description box below. The Setuact RCA to HDMI converter is designed to convert analog RCA composite signals, the yellow, white, and red ones, into clear 720p or 1080p HDMI output. This means you can connect older devices like the PS2, N64, Wii, VCR, or DVD player to your HD TV or monitor. Whether you're reliving classic games or revisiting home videos, this converter ensures smooth compatibility. One of the biggest advantages of this kit is that it includes all necessary cables. Inside the box you get an RCA cable of 3.3 feet, an HDMI cable of 3.3 feet, a micro USB power cable of 2.6 feet, the RCA to HDMI converter box, and a user manual. With everything included, there's no need to buy extra cables, making it cost-effective and easy to use. Plus, the cables are detachable, so you can repurpose them for other uses if needed. Wide compatibility works with almost everything. This converter is highly versatile, supporting a wide range of devices, gaming consoles like Sony, PS2, PS3, Xbox, N64, Wii, and SNES. Media players such as STB, VHS, VCR, and DVD players, and TV format support including PAL, NTSC 3.58, NTSC 4.43, SECAM, PAL-M, and PAL-N. No matter where your device comes from, the Setuact RCA to HDMI adapter ensures compatibility with different video formats and regions. Forget about installing drivers or dealing with complex settings. This plug-and-play device is super easy to use. Just connect your RCA cables, HDMI cable, and power source, and you're good to go. Make sure to connect the USB power cable to a 5-volt power source like a USB adapter or TV USB port to keep the converter running smoothly. Setuact ensures a hassle-free experience with 18 months after-sales service, 24-hour customer support. If you face any issues, their support team is ready to assist. The Setuact RCA to HDMI converter is an affordable, reliable, and user-friendly solution to bring your classic devices back to life. With wide compatibility, included cables, and simple setup, this is a must-have gadget for retro gamers and movie lovers. What do you think? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more awesome tech reviews on Alltech.